temperature. Whoa! Hey guys, what is up? How's it going? It's been a while since I've done an update vlog like this, but right now we're actually packing and preparing to leave in July for a little bit of a road trip and adventure. Our dog actually broke her leg a couple weeks ago, so the plans that we had initially to want to travel across the country kind of switched upside down, and now we're trying to stick a little bit closer to home. We aren't going for as long of a time, but just to be on the safe side, our dog's going to stay with our family here, and then we're still going to go out to Vancouver Island, which I'm really excited about because I've never been to Vancouver before, let alone Vancouver Island. The garage is a little bit of a mess right now, getting everything packed and ready. Got a lot of questions about these totes. These are from like Cabela's or Bass Pro kind of shops. They're called Plano totes, and what's really nice about them is that super rugged, super durable, and they click down like that, which is amazing. So we got a bit of food in this one, different things. It's an organized mess because I know what's in each one of them, but we got our fuel and some blankets in this one. Keep mostly like food things in there, and then just more gear in this one. A couple of more propanes for when we're gone. But yeah, slowly preparing. I've got a cell booster here that I need to install on the Tacoma this week. I'm just getting a bracket actually custom made for it, so it can actually mount the antenna right up here on the hood. It's gonna stick out and go right here. It's gonna be super cool. I'll do an install video on that if you guys are interested in seeing that. But yeah, and I've got the fridges. I actually got a new fridge. This is the Set Power RV45. It's the newest model out, and what is insane about it is it's got freezer and fridge. Right now I just turned it on, so don't really keep it on when I'm not using it, but you can see inside we've got one side with the fridge and the other side with the freezer. And I like to keep little thermometers in there just so I can always double check that what's being shown on here is correct and accurate, just to be on the safe side when we're out on the road. Because we like to bring food like chicken and for making things like tacos or skewers or chilies, things like that. But yeah, so we're getting all ready. Not a heck of a lot has changed on the Tacoma lately, but I did install more of these quick fist clamps on this underside just for extra storage. I really like that because I can hang the fishing rods up there instead of having them loosely, you know, moving around in the back, which is what I had last time. And then also I picked up a full-size spare. It's kind of tricky to see under here, but I went to visit my friends at Spec R. That's a 265 75/16 grabber ATX. It's the same as what's on here, but I didn't have a 5th Stealth Custom Series wheel, and we all know that they're out of stock for a long time. It's pretty hard to get them. So I just actually ended up using the black steel rim that was on there already, because it actually turns out that that rim, first and foremost, is compatible with these type of lug nuts. But also it's the same 16-inch size. So you get a full-size spare and you can just keep the black steel. All you have to do is buy another tire. Also have this nice Go Labs R300 power station that I love. It's only 300 watt hours, but what's really awesome about this combined with these fridges is that the fridges only draw power when they're actually actively cooling or like cycling down. So when they're not, draws 0 power. So this thing, it might say it's only going to last 3 hours when it's actually cooling, and then literally it will go into a standby mode for like 3 hours, and then it doesn't take any power. So literally this little guy here alone has lasted us an entire weekend. With that said though, we also have a big solar panel, 100 watt panel that we're bringing, and I'll show you guys in an upcoming video, that goes on the roof. And I've already tested it once, and it is amazing because the input current from the solar panel is greater than the output current of that little 300 amp or watt hour station with the fridge. It can run forever. Almost missed the biggest update of all. You guys might have seen this on Instagram. I'm so stoked, guys. It's finally time to join the club. been lucky enough to land a partnership with Dobinsons to be shooting some work for them. So I actually picked up the MRRs with the teal colored springs. I think they look amazing and I'm really excited. Gonna get those installed this week at Crave Automotive here in Calgary. Also, if you've been waiting for Dobinsons, if you know, these leaf springs have been on back order for like 5 months. And I actually had gotten these 3 weeks prior. And then they emailed me and they said that these came in, so we overnight shipped them up here. And now I got the full complete Dobinsons setup. It's gonna be, I think I'm only gonna do like a 2-inch lift because I'm not really trying to get the suspension for the lift. I'm more so getting it for the performance and the reliability aspect, for us to be able to go on long road trips, also to go off-roading, but also for all the weight that we add on the back when we get all this loaded up. Because honestly, right now, when you put all this in there, it sags down like a solid 1.5 inches. It's actually pretty bad. So yeah, that's a little bit of an update vlog with what's going on with the Tacoma and the build and the upcoming trip. Definitely going to be filming that trip, so if you guys want to stay around for that, it's going to be fun. Like, I've never been there before, so I'm just going to I'm not going to focus too much on like necessarily filming everything we do there, but I'm going to just try to have the camera rolling and enjoying the moment at least, but also sharing it with you guys, because if you're like me and you're just getting into this stuff, I think it's good and useful to see someone else doing it. I'm gonna end this video with a little display of my EDC right now. So I've actually got this nice Gerber slim drive. You guys might have seen this in another video. Really like this knife, and what's really nice about this as well is on the other side is it has a screwdriver. Super cool. And then this is a super cheap, like $5 knife from Home Depot. I like this though for opening like Amazon boxes and stuff. It's just very easy and quick. And then I just picked this guy up. Gotta show it off, the Supreme pocket knife. I'm gonna wrap this up here now, guys. It's a Sunday. My videos don't typically do very good on Sundays, so if I can just ask a huge favor, if you can leave a comment and a thumbs up on this video. And if you're not already subscribed and you wanna see the fun trip we're gonna go on, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I think like over 75% of people that watch my videos aren't subscribed, which is pretty crazy. I do put a lot of effort into them, so hope you guys do enjoy them, and I always appreciate the feedback and comments. So thanks for all the love, especially on the recent videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.